Garlic is one of the most common ingredients in Indian dishes, but apart from imparting flavour to food, this tiny white pod also has immense medicinal properties. The healing powers of garlic are popular throughout the world. Benefits of consuming garlic with water first thing in the morning. All you have to do is cut the garlic into little pieces and add it in a glass of water. Then stir it well and consume it. This is what will happen to your body if you drink garlic water every day. To treat skin infections. The chemical ajoine found in garlic may help treat fungal skin infections like ringworm and athlete's foot. Blood thinning. The anti-clotting properties of ajoine found in garlic help in preventing the formation of blood clots in the body. Hence, it may also increase the risk of bleeding after surgery. Remedy for respiratory problems. Daily use of garlic can reduce the frequency and number of colds. Its antibacterial properties help in treating throat irritations. Garlic may also reduce the severity of upper respiratory tract infections. It benefits the lungs and helps in asthma symptoms. Diabetes. Garlic increases insulin release and regulates blood sugar levels in diabetics. Cancer prevention. Daily intake of garlic has been found to lower the risk of most types of cancer. This anti-cancer property is due to allyl sulfides found in garlic. Lower blood pressure. Allicin in garlic helps in reducing blood pressure. Heart protection. Garlic protects our heart against cardiovascular issues like cardiac arrest and atherosclerosis. This cardioprotective property can be credited to various factors. With age, the arteries tend to lose their capability to stretch. Garlic helps in reducing this and may secure the heart from the destructive impacts of free oxygen radicals. Reduce cholesterol. Garlic has the ability to moderately lower our blood triglycerides and total cholesterol and reduce arterial plaque formation. Antibacterial and antiviral. Garlic is most well known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. They help control bacterial infections and viral, fungal, yeast and worm infections. Fresh garlic is thought to play a role in preventing food poisoning by killing bacteria in certain foods. Combat allergies. Garlic is understood to have anti-inflammatory properties. It can help the body battle versus allergies. The anti-arthritic property of garlic is due to diallyl sulfide and thiacromomone. Garlic has been shown to improve allergic respiratory tract swelling. Circulation. Garlic's aphrodisiac property is due to its ability to increase blood circulation. Reduce weight. Many researchers believe that obesity is a state of long-term, low-grade inflammation. According to a recent research, garlic may help to regulate the formation of fat cells in our body. This may help prevent weight gain.